Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sheila here. For those that are new, welcome, and for those that are coming back to see me, thank y'all so much. Okay, today is part 1 of my Halloween patio decorating series. I'm going to have to split it up in 2, possibly 3 parts, because I'm going to do my patio doors on one. I'm going to do this rail here that's behind me. I'm not sure you're going to see. I'll give you a better image just a second. And then also I'm going to add other things to it because it's a decorating contest in my apartment community. So I really want to go all out. So I'm going to, bring y'all along with me while I do it. Does that sound exciting with y'all? I know I am so for it. All right. Okay, first we're going to start with my rail. It's like a black wrought iron rail. I'm not sure. I'll bring the camera down a little bit better. Y'all can see I've got some lights kind of hanging, but I'm going to do the top part of the rail. Now, what I'm going to use to attach my goodies, I'm going to be using mesh, quite a few different colors of mesh. I'm going to be using some ribbon. Also, I got some Halloween accents that I'm going to be adding on to it. And so I'm going to be using just good old green Christmas garland. That's how I use to put anything I use to do any of my decorating for, like my door, patio, any of these patio doors, any door or anything doorscape. I always use good old green garland. This is the cheap stuff. You don't need to go buy that real expensive. I've got some, but this is going to be outdoor and I really don't want to mess it up. So I got like 4, I think they're 9 foot long, I think, Christmas garland. I'm going to attach it to my railing here using my garland to my railing by using these zip ties, just regular old zip ties. I'm going to use black because the little rail here is black. So, and I'm going to go every so often and put them on there. Now around my patio doors, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to attach it, but I'm going to leave that up to my husband to kind of figure out something for me. But we'll get to that little subject as we start decorating there, okay? I'm going to turn the camera around and y'all can watch me add my garland to my railing, okay? So hang on. I got lights here already, so I'm not sure I'm gonna take them down or not. I'm not quite sure, but this is how I got my garland. I've already had somebody come by and say, "Are you decorating for Christmas yet?" I'm like, no. Okay, I got it all done. As you can see, I gotta go back and cut my little twist tie little things, but I'll go down ever so far first, then I go back and add more until I get it. Now, sometimes I'll add 2, depending upon, the amount of stuff I'm gonna be using. Sorry, can you see my hand? So I'm not quite sure. I may go back and add, but I usually do around my doorscape, so. Okay, I got it all done. Added all my garland from one end to the other. Now I'm gonna start adding all my goodies, my mesh, my ribbon, and start bringing out some of my Halloween accents. Okay, so again, I'm gonna turn the camera around and we'll get started adding. So I may not do a lot of talking. I may just kind of flip it around because y'all know I like to gab. So I may just turn the camera around and y'all get to watching me, okay? Now I'm gonna be using all colors of mesh. Got black, brown, orange, I got some purple. I got all kind of colors. So I'm not sure which one to start with, but again, I'm gonna let it take me as I feel it, I guess you would say. So again, let me turn the camera around and we'll get to adding our mesh. Start with brown. Okay, there is the brown burlap mesh. Now I'm going to add some black, purple, and orange. I think that's what I decided on. Appropriate Halloween colors. Okay, here we go. Okay, when I start a roll of mesh, I'll just kind of fold it down and kind of work my fingers together to kind of bunch it up. And there's my first, what I call loops. And then I'll put that in, you know, in the greenery, and then I take the green twist and just twist it together and then bring out so much, another loop, twist it and go all the way down. That's how I did the brown, and then I'm gonna go back. Now sometimes I'll do more of a certain color if I want it to really be more predominant, but I think I'm gonna do the purple and orange. I think unless I change my mind. All right, again, let's get started back. It's looking so good. So there's my black. Now I'm gonna finish it out and I'm gonna start adding some purples and oranges because I think I want that towards the top. And as you can see, I'm kind of going on a zigzag pattern. I think it blends better with mesh, but you know, anyway, really, it's very forgivable. And really, this is the easiest stuff to mess with. All right, let me finish up. Okay, there is my black added. I think it looks great. I love that black. And I use a wide, as you can see on the burlap mesh, it was a 10-inch. This is a 21-inch wide on the black. But, you know, I was able to combine it just perfectly, so don't worry about that. But I think I'm gonna add a little bit more black right here. And you see where I got my loops, and I got this a little bit left, so I can always go back and add here and there. But first, I may want to add the orange and then kind of go back and add here and there the other colors. You know, all you do is just cut it really forgiving and do the same thing, add a little loop here and there. Okay, all right, so now I think I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait and go ahead and start with my orange and purple. Don't worry guys, I'll get a really better image more up close so y'all can see it. Okay, okay, I got my orange, my black, my purple, and I got my burlap. I'm loving these colors. Really love it. Now I'm going to kind of like zhuzh it around a little bit. Okay, here's a more up close of all my mesh. And here's all my, I'm so sorry, that's too fast. Here's all my colors. And you can still see the greenery in there, you know, so, but I don't mind that because we're going to fill it up more with ribbon. And I may add another color, like a green, because I think I want to add a green. But that's what it looks like. I really like it. Looks really cool. So Halloween themed. I love it. Okay. Alrighty, so let me put y'all. Okay, now since I got all my mesh added, I'm gonna start adding the ribbons and the other little accents I got. I'm not sure what else I want to put with it, but I do have a little mix down here. So again, camera turned around and let's get to decorating. Okay, I've got this tubing here. I got it in black and purple. I think I'm gonna add it before I add my ribbon. We'll give it a shot. So I wish I had some orange. I think I do. I think I do have some orange. So right back, I'm gonna add this on to my thing. Okay, y'all. Now here it is. Now I added these lights. These are the lights here that I got at home or Christmas tree shops. I think it's 70 of them. There's orange, green, and I think it's a purple. I think there's 70 of them. I think I paid like $2.50 for them. And so I've been saving them for this. And then here is the flex tubing. I just made little knots with purple, orange, and black. And you can see how I kind of just put it, you know, here and there. I'm going to pan down this way. Hope that's not too fast. I love the colors are perfect. Now I'll try to get a nighttime footage of what it looks like when it's really lit up. I loved how it turned out, you guys. Loved it. Now I'm trying to keep the camera at an angle so you can't see what other goodies I have out here. Now since I know exactly where I'm going with my theme, I think it turned out so good. And I've already had somebody come by here and say, oh, and I had the greenery out. Are you decorating for Christmas? No. And then when they walk back by, they go, oh, you're decorating for Halloween. Yes. Okay guys, that is it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed part 1 of my Halloween patio decorating series. I cannot wait till we do part 2, which is the patio doors. I have finally found my theme. And as I was looking for throughout all my goodies, it was laying there. I thought, well, why not? So I'll let y'all guess what my theme would be. And there's going to be 2 people guest starring in my next video. One of them is really been waiting to come out, and one of them has been just chomping at the bits to come, and he can't wait to meet y'all. He's a mischievous little devil. But the other one, you know, you'll like her. Alrighty, well, so come back to see me as I bring my 2 guest stars on my next video. Okay, so Thursday I'll be bringing the patio door video, and then on Saturday I'm going to be doing the patio tour, like everything together. All of my goodies, my guest stars will probably be reappearing in that video as well. And also I'll show y'all my whole patio, because there is a actual contest here in our apartment community that is actually having a best Halloween, you know, decorating contest. There's 3 prizes, so if I can win one, that'd be awesome. So I'm kind of keep my fingers crossed for that, but I'll let y'all know the results on that one. But again, so remember, this is part 1. We got part 2, the patio doors, and we got part 3, the tour. Okay, well, thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, well, until next time, sending all of my love from my home to yours. Happy decorating. Bye bye.